gotta go to the ground.
Well, we can do that.
How? I went to the ground.
Freaking barking spiders, man.
Fred went right to the ground with that. I heard it. We need something to get it to the ground. What do you got? Hard and soft, big.
Me? Soft and big.
Soft and big. Looks like you.
I'll just lay on the ground, drop on my stomach.
Well, somebody put the front end on us, so it's gonna be a little bit harder. So we're gonna take out the front end legs, or we're gonna take out the rear fender?
I think the front end legs.
Probably take out both. We'll take them both.
Why don't we have a strong arm that would just freaking float around?
Oh. The jump tire when we need it.
Oh, I'm tired.
Look what I found.
Hey, something dropping on.
And a more jump tire.
A little more.
I think this is gonna be in our way though.
Alright, moving this.
Breaking it. Breaking stuff.
Pulling it over.
I ain't gonna go very far. Move that camera.
Moving the camera. Camera's moving. Check the gate. What we're looking at now.
We're looking at doing a lot of damage real quick. Just says some my important parts.
Just take it from either side.
Take off whatever's on top of that cardboard if it's gonna get on the ground or not.
You taking this board out here or not?
No, that's leave it. Right there.
Getting on that side?
We're good.
Huh?
Wheel and axle. Bring the axle down there.
An axle down here.
Straight ahead. On top. Pull out two. Oh.
Not on the right one.
We want to have a good thread on it. Yeah, it might have a good thread on it. We need a nut to go with it though. You got a nut for that, Fred?
No. Dude, I'm nutless. Nutless and gutless. I'm exhausted.
Yeah, find an axle with a nut. Hey Fred, the wheel.
Ready for the wheel?
Which one's the back one, which one's the front one?
I don't think it really matters.
It doesn't matter.
Ready?
Goes the other way. Here.
Go.
You look like you're dying over there, so yeah. I think the black one should be black, not the chrome one.
Am I dying? I'm not in very good shape right
Fred's in pain.
now. Pain. Dolly pain, Papa pain. I'm in serious Papa pain.
Right.
Can I get up here and then help you slide it down?
It's gonna come down pretty quick.
Do I need to get out of the way?
Well, you're gonna slide it.
Hang on. Hang on.
You're hooked on.
You're stuck on the, pull back just a hair, pull back a hair, because the wood's stuck in it. There.
Okay, it's down.
Crazy shit, man.
That was in Harley's service manual how to do that, wasn't it?
Crazy search.
Hey,
It's
Fred, we
a
got a
little bit
workbench.
higher up than the freaking mule was.
We got a workbench, Fred.
A little bit higher up than the mule was. A little heavier than the mule.
Good thing we had extra wheels laying around, huh? How's it look now? It's like a Harley.
Like a Harley. Put the front wheel on, we got an axle for the front.
We gotta find all the parts that are missing. Where's all those missing parts at, Fred? Fred said that was a junk bike.
I'm too tired to even say if it's up your.
It's up my what?
Show them the
What?
The air.
Here, you're in charge, Fred. I'm busy. It's a cream puff, 1950. Stop.
It has a slight aeration.
What?
A slight issue with its ability to.
Here's the
retain.
only issue that matters is right there.
It has a slight issue
That
with
is the only issue that matters.
being able to retain oil to any significant degree.
It's an oil-free motor.
This is the new non-petroleum Harley.
It's an oil-free motor. It's perfect.
We're coming up to
So
the
which
new,
primary cover we put on? Put the panel one on, the knuckle it on.
the new green deal. Well, it's a panhead. Why wouldn't you put the panhead? Plus, we only have half of one of those.
These are all original parts. We gotta find crap parts for this thing.
All right, I gotta sit on. I'm gonna sit here.
Okay. We need some parts. Parts and pieces.
You gonna close this up while you go find parts and pieces?
What's missing, Fred? Well, at least we have the rubber. Look at that. You got the rubber up there for the seal.
Crap load.
Oil tight.
You're missing a crap load of parts.
A crap load of parts. That almost sounds like we're missing something important. Got the shock covers for it.
Wow, I'm impressed. It's a hardtail. What are you freaking talking about? It's a freaking hardtail. Dumbass.
Does it matter?
3647, man. Knucklehead. Bunch of knuckleheads. Doing knucklehead
Put
stuff.
the $8 cover on there, or you put the unmarked one on there?
You mean the one that's all scratched up?
We just
and-
run naked because it's all chrome already. I think we just leave it naked.
I think you're looking naked is fine.
This is going to be a bobber bike. We're not putting all that crap on there. Except we put cowbells.
We did put cowbells. We like the cowbells. They're tuned differently. Is that a headlight?
Here's the old panhead light. Why don't you grab a couple bolts and put that on? You can do that.
And put that on the damn.
It should be like 5/16 flying thread probably. Little 1/2 inch ones or something.
Okay. You keep looking and I'll go find.
I just keep finding parts. Parts and parts and pieces and parts and more parts and more pieces. What else we got over here we don't need? Got a lot of shirts. Of course, not very many are on the internet right now. There's the original headlight. We're not putting that on there. That's too valuable. What else is in there? Ooh, transmission gears. We don't need those right now. Oh, there's another cover. Oh, this is a late bike though. We don't want that. 2-light dash. What's this here? This feels like a seat post. Here's some nuts. Hey, those are 5/8 too. Bingo. Fred will like those. On this ugly front end over here. I don't know what that thing is, but we don't care. We just need these. There, we'll see if Fred can figure out how to put those on. Fred, should we put these on there? You see what I found for you over there? You didn't notice. Jeez.
I can't even see anymore. Like,
You're blind. Blind leaving the blind? Brain ain't working. Oh, there's more parts. There's more kickstands. There's a brake. Need that. On the brake pedal. Axle spacer. Okay. Parts we care about, parts we don't care about. Footboard, bring it that far into it. Oh yeah, everybody needs one of those. Does anybody even know what that is? Soft tail parts. What are those doing in here? This is a box of junk. Do we need spark plugs in that motor?
no.
It's got plugs in it already? Oh, I even got twin cam parts in this box. We got everything in this box. Oh, look at that. Tensioners. Oh, we got everything. That's a multi. That's got everything from knucklehead parts all the way to paint and twin cam parts. This is new stuff here. We don't care about this crap. It's heavy. That don't count. We ain't got the exhaust system yet. I knew I had more cowbells. Striking out here, Fred. Thought I had more parts. Maybe another box or two floating around. Looks like I cleared out over here. Oh, there's Fred's bike. 49? It might be a 49, but she don't look like it.
49 or 79?
It looks like a shovel head to me.
79.
Fred's lazy, he won't finish the bike. Yeah, we're missing parts, Fred. I found some handlebars. I like these ones here, but I need something a little more modern on that bike. There we go. It'll look nice on that piece of crap. There's a handlebar. Need some risers to go with it, though. No risers in there, is there? No. No risers. Should be some more boxes floating around. People have been hiding stuff from me. Junk, junk, junk. Yeah, there's some more boxes floating around. There's primary cover for it. Wrong one though. Bullets to junk. Parts and pieces everywhere. We're missing parts, Fred.
Yeah, really?
Yep.
Never would have had that concept.
You never noticed it?
Never. 'Never had that concept.
Oh well. 'Cause I had more parts in this box. 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 I It happens.
Okay, what's next?
We gotta put a front wheel on it.
Okay, headlights on. Headlights on. Okay, okay.
Headlights gone. Where's your risers?
I don't know, you want those?
I got your nuts here. You didn't put them on, Fred. Geez, I found those special for you.
Those are damn crescent nuts.
Man, you didn't like those.
Press salt.
I stole those off another front end. Just special for you.
I didn't even see them until you told me.
I know, I could tell.
Didn't pay attention to you.
That's right.
Too poor to pay attention.
Too broke.
Too tired.
Here's the front brake.
Too poor to pay attention.
Here's a kickstand to go on the bike.
Yeah, I think we're keeping standing anytime soon.
Kickstand folds bike up. That's an original.
Stand.
That's a regional.
Jockey stand.
Yeah. Oh, well. Oh, look what I found. Oh, look what else I found. Ooh, the nasty one for me. I'm taking that one. This stuff off my bike. It's off the drag bike. These are drag bike parts.
You just having all kind of reminiscent crap going on.
Oh, this is a punch. That's a tool. That's a tool. It ain't a part. What else we got in here? Oh, found a front axle. Look what I found. There's a front brake lever. Another spacer. Appears to be a bunch of parts off several bikes. Ooh, here's everything. Look at that. Complete. Oh, that's perfect for that bike. Chrome plated and everything. I don't know if that'll fit though. It looks mysteriously like it's the wrong part. There's two different axles to use. Here's the dash. Juice brake. Need some more parts, Rod.
I think we covered that topic a few times already.
We need a front axle sleeve. Ah, bang. We got this one here. This is a really nice looking one though. It's not a piece of crap like the last one I had was. We need a rear one though.
Just throw it in the back, throw it back in there and
We need a rear brake. Okay, here's your axle cap. So I'll put that on the axle. I don't know how my cowling went to. I had a whole box full of cowling. It's missing. Guess we're going naked now. Naked! I bet you some more parts over there. I gotta get back there, dig through. Alright, we'll be back.